The Planet of the Eternals. Today is Sunday, March 8, 2026. The planet of the Eternals is an artificial planet created by the Elohim. It is where the 8,400 people from Earth, dead already, but was cloned to live in this planet together with the 700 Elohim, which are members of the Council of Eternals, headed by Yahweh. This planet is veritable little paradise where everything is easy thanks to science, where they together live happily and eternally. 9 o'clock tonight on my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. I'll discuss this in detail. On a live stream, please watch for it.